Hi! In this short video, we'll show how to install the Mosko Moto Gnoblin onto the Perun Moto top luggage rack for the KTM 390 Adventure R, X or Enduro. The Gnoblin is a great solution for fast mounting and removal of all bags from Mosko Moto Reckless series. The installation is simple and requires only basic tools, a 5mm Allen key and a 10mm wrench. Start by stacking the Gnoblin button and both spacers onto the bolt. These spacers significantly improve how easily the bags attach and detach from the bike, and we strongly recommend using them. If spacers were not included with your Gnoblin, a small stack of flat washers, roughly 10mm thick, will work just as well. Clearance between the underside of the top rack and the tail plastics is limited. To make installation easier, we'll use a large size wrench to position the washer and safety nut in place. Place the safety nut and washer onto the wrench. Make sure the nut is oriented correctly, with the nylon insert facing downward. Carefully slide the wrench under the rack until the nut is aligned directly beneath the chosen mounting hole. If the bike is standing upright, the wrench will rest on the tail plastic without needing to be held in place. From the top side, insert the bolt with the Gnoblin button and spacers through the rack. Hold the nut in position with the 10mm wrench and tighten the bolt from above. This completes the installation. Choosing the correct mounting hole depends on the bag being used, as well as personal preference. In our experience, using the middle hole, as shown here, works very well with the Reckless 10, Reckless 40 and Alpine 60. When using the Reckless 80, the front hole provides a better overall fit. We generally don't use the rear hole, but some riders prefer positioning the luggage further back, and the rack gives them that option. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.